Alright, so here's how to add Adblock on Google Chrome. First of all, just open your browser on your PC. Now head to the Chrome web door. Now here, just go on the search bar and type Adblock and press enter. Now you will see different types of ad blockers here. Go with this one, the one with the hand. Adblock block ads across the web. Alright, now just click on add to Chrome. Click on add extension. Okay, wait a few minutes. There we go. Now the extension is installed. Alright, open a new tab. Go on this puzzle icon on top right corner. Just click on it. And here pin this extension. As you can see. Now if I go to a website, for example this one. Now as you can see, it is blocking ad. If you want to see some ad, you just click on pause on this site. Now you will see ads. Okay, just click on resume ad blocking and it will start blocking the ads again. Another thing you can do, you can just download this browser, Brave. I found it personally helpful in blocking all the ads. So you can just download this browser and this will automatically block all the ads for you. You will not have to do anything. So that's just it for the video. Thanks for watching.